What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. We have a 2005 race replica Honda CBR 600. Really cool looking bike. Really clean. I'm pumped to ride it. And they did a lot of cool little aftermarket goodies on this thing, while keeping the thing looking as stock as they can, by keeping the lights on it, keeping the big, you know, the guy who put it together, his goal was to make it like a factory race looking bike that you could just throw in a museum, you know. And you know, it's got steel braided lines, it's got steering dampener. I don't know if these are the stock forks or not, or the stock. It looks like this. Not these are inserts. Well, cool. Let's take it for a spin. This thing's a beautiful looking bike. This bike has 22,529 miles. It runs really good, guys. Let's do the words of wisdom. Proverbs 20. Chapter 20, verse 4. The sluggard does not plow after the autumn, so he begs during the harvest and has nothing. That's some wisdom for you. That lady was walking her dog earlier. So I love these Honda 600 bikes. I love the Honda 1000 bikes. Honda makes an amazing machine, and even these older ones, let's say this one is 15, that's 13 years old, even this older bike is still a competitive bike. You know, it's still a force to be reckoned with. What's great about them is you can get them for pretty cheap, and it still has all those goodies that you expect out of a 600 Super Sport. It really does feel like a race bike with these. You got the safety wire holding on the grips, and it's got the Vortex clip-ons. A lot of Vortex parts on it. $22,000 miles is nothing for this bike. I was told that the guy who put it together did a lot of track days, but never actually got this thing on the track. It was just too clean, and I could see that. It's a clean bike. You know, why not just enjoy it on the road and take something that's wrecked or something's been down a couple times, take that bike to the track. Man, what a beautiful day. Let's try to wheelie up this thing. Yep. So 600s are really fun bikes. Just all around great performing bikes. They weigh around 400 pounds. They're normally push around 100 horsepower. You will get to the point, because speed is relative. You will get to the point where it doesn't feel fast to you anymore. And when you get to that point, either step up or start learning how to go faster in the corners. Because in a straight line, I mean, there's tons of things that just don't feel fast to you pulling in a straight line. But then when you're doing 60 in a 15 mile an hour corner, you know, it might feel fast to you again. Let's go jump on the highway and see what we can get a 0 to 60 on this thing. I'm gonna guess I'm gonna guess I can get this in the 60 within 3 seconds. That sounds reasonable. These Scott steering dampeners are about 500 bucks. Very handy. If you're ever wondering what they actually do, they prevent tank slap. So if you're going really high speeds, you've all seen the video from the 90s and the 80s and stuff, where a guy's, normally it's on like the TT or something, the guy comes up, his front end comes down from a little bump or something like that, and then it just starts going crazy, slapping, you know. Sometimes they can recover from it, a lot of times they can't. And when you're going real fast, it's very dangerous. You pretty much lose control over your bike. And what steering dampeners do is actually damper. Hold up, for everyone who's gonna correct me, is damper. I gotta get used to saying it the right way. Steering damper sounds dumb. What a steering damper does, it's like a little shock absorber connected to the steering, where it slows that down. Now Honda on their 1000 actually has a, and some other bikes do also, but electronic steering dampers, electronic dampers, steering dampers, so that at lower speeds it feels nice and light, but then at higher speeds it gets stiffer, because that's when you want it to be stiffer. You know, you want it to be somewhat of a dynamic, you know, a dynamic thing. But normally you just kind of set it to a higher speed because you're going to be going faster, and when you're going a little bit slower, you just, whatever, that's just life, you know what I mean? Let these guys go. Well, it was a pretty slow launch. It's been a while since I launched a 600. And you really have to let them, you really got to let them go at like 12,000 RPMs, which is kind of it's a little, you know, it doesn't feel comfortable unless you've done it a lot of times. So I've done 600 miles in a day on a 600 Super Sport. I was fine. I'm actually pretty comfortable on one of these bikes. We did 1,200 miles in a weekend, and we had a great time. You know, you get off, your butt hurts. Your butt hurts when you get off of anything that doesn't have that much padding. So this bike runs great, the tires are great. Go to our website, Srkcycles.com, and you can check out the walk around video and see the price. The reason I don't put the price in the videos is because, you know, sometimes the prices do change, but also I don't want old, I mean, we leave all of our videos up, so I don't want old videos hanging out and people looking at, holy cow, that guy's selling that bike for 15,000 bucks. It's only worth 5, but the video was 10 years ago, you know what I mean? And I'm not going to take that. I'm not going to change the prices. So the easiest way to do it is check out the website, Srkcycles.com. You see we do a very, very detailed walk around video for all of our bikes. You'll see every little minute nick and scratch. And we ship bikes all over the country. Guys, that wraps it up. If you're looking to transport your bike, check out Tank Straps. The best tie-down strap to use to transport your bike. It's the only thing that we use. Click on the link below in the description to buy those or check them out a little closer. And that wraps it up, guys. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Bring your bikes and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later.